Alright, welcome to this trade breakdown. Yeah, I'll just get into it. So this morning on the video posted on the high time frame analysis, we anticipate that this level will get hit here. It's a 15-minute imbalance that we marked out in order to continue to the downside, because we don't know if it will continue to the downside, but that was just our target just in case. But yeah, so I took one trade today, which was break even. Didn't want to take anything else. However, it still played out very nicely, and I understand where I went wrong. So, where I went wrong was this Fibonacci on the internal trend. I wasn't marking out correctly, as in I believed that I would be marking out the 15-minute swing low to swing high. Therefore, I was trying to mark it out from this low to this high here. So I was very simply, I've always thought that the um Fibonacci tool should be placed like that. However, I'm slowly starting to realise that it could honestly just be all simplified by placing it from the very bottom of the leg to the very top here. Even though there may be like internal swings and so stuff like that, it kind of seems to be a very common occurrence that it will retrace to this 50% of the whole internal swing rather than just being a part of like a 15-minute internal swing, like, or like 5-minute internal swing, say from like this low to this high. So I think where I've been going wrong is that my Fibonacci tool hasn't actually been from the proper low to the proper high, and like for internal cases like this. I think that's exactly why I was looking for buys in the scenario beforehand. Obviously, we'll change and we'll like adapt and like kind of perfect everything in the future. Uh, so obviously we were looking to buy up to this level up here. And knowing that we're buying up to that level, obviously we need to reach a valid demand area or point of interest. In order to get there, you could have sold. Like I was saying, this is like I was saying in the stream call this morning. This 15-minute zone to the left here is completely valid. However, apart from the fact that it's crossing over the 50% like so we know that that's not going to be an external point of interest for us. So looking at it now, we know that that could be a potential place that we could sell down to our demand point of interest. And our demand point of interest in this case is this imbalance right here. Although I did not catch this sell down, I did predict the take profit and reversal from this area itself, because obviously I took a step back, didn't take any other trades. I took a step back and I kind of looked at the market and I was like, okay, um, if anything, we're going to sell down to this level before reversing to continue up internal trades to this level here before potentially looking for some sort of external trade down to take out this low. So knowing that obviously we're looking for the 15-minute zone down here, that could have been your take profit for this trade here, which obviously when anticipating the reversal for trades like this, like I was saying in call once again, this is a very, very, very textbook setup here. And I was in a buy from somewhere in here. So I really didn't like the fact that it was respecting this here, and I was saying it's a very nice sell setup. So that's my main hesitation, and that was why I went straight to break even today. Obviously, like I was saying, the take profit is this 15-minute imbalance here because it's below the 50%. Um, this, if there's a point of interest down this leg here, it would not be valid because this whole leg was crossing over the 50%. However, this whole section here where it ranges never touches the 50%, so you know that is going to be valid in that case. So yeah, knowing it's valid in that case, after you saw your entry confirmation that we saw over here, obviously it's just a 5-minute order block with 5-minute liquidity. We only broke internal lows 1, 2 here. So knowing that we only broke internal lows, we know that obviously we're going to be selling down after liquidity was created. So when we're selling down here, obviously when we've seen our take profit get hit, we're looking for some sort of change of character or market structure shift or something like that. We've seen multiple internal breaks, obviously here, but we've seen our main break, which was this previous high getting broken here. We had our build up of 5-minute liquidity just above our 5-minute order block. So this 5-minute bullish candle here prints a low, and this low here is what we were looking to get swept into a 5-minute order block. So we know, okay, this 5-minute liquidity was created above our 5-minute order block here, so we know that we're buying off of here. We did not see my refined zone get hit, and my refined zone would have been this 1-minute imbalance here. Well, it's actually no, it gets hit directly to the price and directly to the pip, but it didn't cross over. But still, you would have taken this 3 pips as usual, including spread for funded accounts and stuff like that. and then obviously buying up to our level up here. It's perfect. So yeah, internal breaks, 5 minute order block, 5 minute liquidity, perfect. Down to a 15 minute PD array, followed by a multiple break one, break two, previous high getting broken, 5 minute liquidity getting printed into our 5 minute order block down here, which we then taken up to our external point of interest up here. So yeah, it's a very, very lovely day. Obviously I didn't take anything else. Wasn't bothering looking at anything else because I was trying to kind of understand the market myself because I had general confusion today with my Fibonacci and PD array myself. Obviously, only human, can only work on that myself. Yeah, very nice controlled day. One trade, one break even, called it a day from there. So I was a bit confused myself. But now looking back at the day, it was a very, very, very easy day to capitalize on. I think that generally I was just overthinking it over the past month. Obviously, price action has been horrible. So I think that stuff like this, when it looks so easy, I kind of overthink it a lot more because obviously it seems a bit too good to be true. It's like almost like we've entered like the golden area of the whole market, obviously, within the first few days of February anyway. Yeah, obviously, as you can see, looks like it's about to hit my take profit anyway. Like I said, I didn't take. Completely forward tested this. Completely take credit. Watched it enter. Watched it tap down here. I placed my buy position here, like I would be entering it. But apart from that, that's the only part of this that I properly predicted. Apart from this take profit as well. Yeah, very very lovely day. Nonetheless, yeah. Hopefully, we'll capitalize tomorrow, which I think we will.